Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Time Whitey, your number one place for real English conversations. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now if you haven't already. Today we have something really special for you, a natural everyday conversation between two old friends catching up after a long time. This is exactly the kind of English you will use in real life. So sit back, listen carefully, and let's get started.
Sam, oh my goodness, is that really you?
Maya. Wow, what a surprise. I can't believe it.
It has been so long. How are you doing?
I am doing really well, thank you. And you? You look great.
Thank you so much. I feel good. Life has been busy but good.
I know that feeling. So what are you doing these days?
Well, I started a new job about 3 months ago.
Oh, really? That is exciting. What kind of job is it?
I work at a marketing company downtown. It is a lot of work, but I really enjoy it.
That sounds amazing. Do you like your colleagues?
Yes, everyone is really friendly. The office has a great atmosphere.
That makes such a big difference, doesn't it?
It really does. I feel very lucky. What about you, Sam? What have you been up to?
Well, I have been studying a lot lately. I enrolled in an online English course.
Oh, wow. How is that going?
It is going really well actually. I practice every single day.
That is so impressive. I can already hear the difference in your English.
Thank you. I have been working really hard on it. Usually in the evenings after dinner. I find it easier to focus then.
That makes sense. Quiet time is the best time to study.
Exactly. And I watch a lot of English videos online too.
Oh, that is a great idea. Listening practice is so important.
Yes, it really helps with pronunciation.
Are you still living in the same apartment?
No, actually, I moved to a new place last month.
Oh, really? Where are you living now?
I moved to the west side of the city. It is much closer to my school.
Oh, that is very convenient. Do you like the new neighborhood?
I love it. There are so many cafes and parks nearby.
That sounds perfect for you. You always loved being outdoors.
Oh yes. You know me too well, Maya.
Of course I do. We have been friends for so long. I really miss spending time together. We should catch up properly soon.
Absolutely. Let's have coffee this weekend. I would love that. Saturday afternoon works for me.
Saturday is perfect for me too. Let's say 2 o'clock?
2 o'clock sounds great. Same cafe as always?
Haha, yes. The little one on Green Street. I love that place.
Me too. Their coffee is the best in the city.
It really is. Okay, it's a plan then.
Amazing. I am already looking forward to it.
Me too. It was so great running into you today, Sam.
It really was. What a lovely surprise.
Take care of yourself, okay?
You too, Maya. See you on Saturday.
See you Saturday. Bye for now.